friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to design this beautiful boat and nut, and we see animation at the end. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel to get more videos. So let's start. So go to File, New, select New Part, select Front Plane, Sketch, choose Polygon. So specify the side of this polygon. Now have 6. Start from origin, say yes. So make sure this side is the horizontal. Okay, then choose dimensions, apply dimension of this side, this polygon, give this one 20. Okay, say yes. So go to feature menu, extrude bows. So apply end condition mid plane, extrude up to 10, say yes. Select this face, normal, choose circle, draw one circle from origin, yes. So select this circle, hold Ctrl key on keyboard with this side, make them tangent, say yes. So let's make this one like this. So then go to feature menu, extrude cut. So choose this one, flip side to cut, make this angle of 45 and say yes. Select this cut, extrude, mirror about front plane. It is going to cut on another side, then say yes. So we have the same cut on both sides. Select this face, normal. Go to sketch menu, choose circle, draw one circle through origin, select, dimension this circle, give diameter of 13 mm. Say yes. Go to isometry to have normal position. So features, extrude bows, give this length of 50 mm, 15 mm. Say yes. So make plain white. So select this circle, apply chamfer. Make sure the distance of chamfer is 1. The angle of chamfer is 45 degrees. Say yes. So now let's apply thread. You should go to insert menu, features, and then choose thread, or come to hole wizard and then choose thread. Yes. So here choose the start point and end point. For this thread location, choose this circle as start point and come to here end condition, select up to selection, choose this one and select this face as end point. You see? Then we are going to make offset some distance between headboard and thread. Choose this offset. We are going to make this distance between headboard and thread. So by this now, let's adjust this 5 enough. This is enough. And then make this specified threads, dimensions, specification. Come to these specifications and choose this metric die. Choose metric die and choose this size of threads. M12 as bore diameter and 1.5 as pitch. Okay. So then come to this offset and try to adjust the length out of the box length and specify 1 mm is enough. And say okay. So as you see, my threads are now good on the board. let's try to cut this one to have proper shape of thread. Normal. Select this face, sketch. Go to convert entities. Select this one. Say OK. So then go to feature menu. Choose extrude cut. Apply end condition through all. So select OK. So you see, then we have this proper good thread cut out. You see. So my bot is now ready. Let's save. Save as bot. You go to any destination and create folder and save your bot there as bot. Go to file new, choose new part, say OK. Select front plane sketch, choose polygon. So specify the perimeter of this polygon with 6 sides. Start through origin. Yes, select. So make sure this line is horizontal. Then apply dimensions. Give this side with this one 20 diameter of polygon. Say yes. Select. Then go to feature menu, extrude. Extrude up to 10. Apply end condition mid plane. Say yes. Select this face, normal 2. Go to sketch, choose circle. Draw one circle through origin. Say yes. Select this circle. Hold Ctrl key on the keyboard. Select this side. Make them tangent. Say yes. So go to isometry to make this shape normal. Select this circle. Go to features, extrude cut. Choose this one, flip side to cut. Yes, then make angle of 45 degrees. Then say yes. Select this cut extrude. Choose mirror about front plane. So you see we are going to have the same cut on both sides. Say yes. Select this one, normal. Go to sketch, choose circle. Draw one circle through origin. Yes. Specify the diameter of this circle. Give this one 10.38. Say yes. Select. Go to isometry to have normal position. Go to features menu. Choose extrude cut. Apply end condition through all. Yes. Select this side, this circle with this one. Apply chamfer. Apply a chamfer of distance 1 and angle of 45 degrees. Say yes. So let's insert internal threads. Select this one as start point. Go to this whole wizard and choose thread, or come to insert menu, choose features, and then find thread. Yes. So choose this one as start point and end point. Let's have this side and select end point and then choose this face. So you see some threads are not properly outside of the nut. choose this one as offset. Let's give offset of 5 mm and choose reverse direction, you see. So you have both a thread outside of the nut at both sides, you see. Then let's have this specification of the threads, internal thread. Select this one as internal thread, select metric tab. Select this metric tape as internal thread and specify the size of thread. So M12 as diameter and with 1.5 as pitch, thread pitch. Yes. Thread method, cut thread. Then choose this thread options, right hand thread and say OK. So now we have proper internal thread, as you see. Make plain white. Yes. So save as nut. Yes. Go to file, new, choose new and then choose assembly. Say yes. So then choose this browse component and select port. Open. Yes. Go to insert component. Then choose this nut. Then say open. And place this one. Make this plain white. Yes. So go to this page and show temporary axis. You see? Then choose mate. Select this axis with this one. Say OK. Yes. So go to this graphic area and say hide this temporary axis. Yes. Click on this section view. So go to this part assembly. Click on the board. Choose right plane. Say OK. Yes. So make sure that the threads are properly matched. Yes. So make sure the pitches are matched properly as this one. Yes. Try to match the pitches properly. Yes. This is yes. Choose mate. Then select this mechanical mate. Choose screw. Again, choose this distance per revolution. Add 1.5. And then select this face. go to this one and select this temporary axis. Select this axis and also add this, adjust this distance per revolution 1.5 millimeter. Then say OK. Say yes. So try to rotate. It is rotating like this one. You see? This is yes. So go to this page, try to hide this one, and then cancel this section view. And try to rotate. It is rotating like this one. Yes, the pitches are properly matched. Choose mate. Choose this one, advanced mate. Make the distance between this head of bolt and the nut. Apply distance, give this one 5 millimeter and select this face. And choose this one, face of nut. You see? Then apply distance. Keep this distance 50 millimeter. Okay. With this one, also the distance at the end 5 millimeter. And say OK. Say yes. So then try to rotate so my pitches are properly matched. Yes. So now let's apply motion study. Choose motor. Select this one as the direction of motor rotation. Select RPM of 40 RPM revolution per minute. Make sure this motor type is rotary motor and say yes. So go to motion study, choose this one to add frame. Frames per second, apply this one 15. Say yes. Let's have this one and drag to 20 seconds. Let's check. So then calculate. This is yes. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel to get more videos and support channel. Yes. So friends, this is simple design bolt and nuts and its animation. I hope you have liked the video. So friends, thanks for watching.